Hi everyone. So I'm here to give you a video on styles of borders. Before that, I know you will all be staying at home. Please stay at home and stay safe. Let's all pray together to overcome this crisis which the whole universe, whole world is facing. It's really unfortunate, but we have to, come out of it. So let's all join hands, stay at home, stay safe, pray well for everything to get normalized at the earliest. Yeah, with this short note we'll get into the video, and today's video is all about the styles of borders. I'm going to teach you nearly 5 to 6 styles. So this video is, I'm planning to make it for 10 minutes where I'll be clearly explaining you about the different style details of the borders. So the following video will be about each single borders, how to make pattern for that particular style. Yeah, we'll just go into it. I'm just going to give you the list of borders which I'm going to talk about in this video. It is all about princess line, empire line, surplice, off shoulder, halter neck, and tent. So these are the styles which I'm going to talk about to you in this video. Yeah, I'm going to take you to the video in this format. Like I have a croquis for a structure where I'm going to put different styles of borders, render different styles or draw different styles of borders into the croquis and explain you what is the style of the borders, the uniqueness of the particular borders, right? So come on, let's go into the video. If you have any doubts or any clarifications, please drop into the discussion box. Yeah, let's go. Let's check out the princess line style. The princess line garment has a seam from the shoulder till the hemline. It has three parts in the front actually, one center panel and two side panels. So now you can see the plain borders rendered where this line shows the princess line, indicates the princess line, and the two pieces, the center panel and the side panel, will be joined by the seam. We can see a top stitch being indicated in the dotted lines. There can be style variations in princess line. You can start from shoulder as shown, or from the arm side, or from neckline. And understand this is the center panel and these are the side panels. So in case if back also has got the same design, make sure you should have cut number 2, one for the front, cut number 2 for the center panel, one for front and one for back. And side panels you totally need 4 pieces to be cut, where front you'll have 2 pieces and the back you'll have 2 pieces. A waist length princess line borders has been demonstrated here. It can also be longer one as shown in the picture. The next style is empire line. We'll check out that. The next borders we are going to check out the empire line garment. Yeah, empire line garment is a garment which has a seam horizontally below the bust line. That's the basic silhouette of the empire line. So I'm just drawing a border till your waistline, where below your bust line you will have a seam. I'm just making a restrained curve for the seam. So this is called as empire line, and this dotted line represents the top stitch. So you'll know that this is a yoke and this is the borders. This is called as empire line borders. And here the borders can also release the fullness in case if it is a longer one, as you see in anarkali style kurtis. The next borders is a surplice front. It is actually an asymmetrical style. So you can create n number of variations in this. Again, it's not a very loose fitted garment. It can be a semi-fitted or a figure hugging silhouette. So here you can see one side of the garment will be bigger and the other side will be small. The inner layer will be carried to the side seam of the borders and it will be joined at the side seam of the borders, where one side will be bigger and other side will be smaller. The back borders will be plain, simple. Here in the surplice borders you can create variations. Even can have some gathers here in the borders. This can also be a variation, and this level can be raised up, and that can also be a variations here. Here in design 1 you can see the level of the asymmetrical is lowered and you have gathers at the sides. The design 2 you can see it doesn't come till the side seam. It just stops with 3/4 of the borders widthwise. So moving on to the next style of shoulder garment. So here the shoulder is only at the one side. Again it's a figure hugging silhouette. Yeah, this is called as off shoulder garment, where you can see the shoulder only at the one side of the borders. The darts support the tightness there, the structural aspect, and the shoulder can even be smaller if desired. Next we'll check the halter neck borders. Halter neck is a high neck, like the shoulders will be high. Either the neck can be lowered or it can be high, and this depends upon the design element, the width of the strap or whatever you're going to tie it at the back. Again it's going to be a figure hugging silhouette. So depending upon the length of the borders, you can just have a dart to support your waist to be tight. It can either be like this, the neckline, or you can have the neckline at the at the top as well. So very thin strap can be given, can be seamed together. Something like this can also be done, but here we're going to just talk around. Yeah, very thin strap. Okay, the halter. And obviously it's a tight fitted garment, so your bust area will be a little tight. Yeah, the back of the halter neck borders is simple, doesn't have any support of the shoulder. The strap is tied at the neck, which comes along from the front borders, and it will be tied at the neck, and the back is supported either with elastic or the fabric will be lycra mixed, where it holds the back borders firm, and it can also be supported with 2 darts at the back waist if required. Yeah, the last style is the tent borders. It is also called a sheath. It's a garment from top to bottom. The length can be till knee level or below the knee level. It's a one piece long garment. Hence, I have pulled over the crocky till the legs. So, as I told you, the garment starts from the shoulder. It's a single piece long garment from the shoulder till your knee level, and this garment is figure hugging at the bust till waist, and at the bottom it sweeps out. The hemline will be flared towards the like at the bottom. And it's a single piece garment where it doesn't have any cuts in between. Till waist you can make it semi fitted or tight fitted, and towards the bottom it sweeps out. Yeah, I hope you understood all the styles of the borders. If any doubts, kindly feel free to ask. You can either WhatsApp or just put it in the discussion box.